Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today we have an exciting and essential word for you to learn. Our word of the day is animal. Let's dive right in and discover what makes this word so important in our everyday language. An animal is a living organism that feeds on organic matter, typically having specialized sense organs and nervous systems and able to respond rapidly to stimuli. In simple terms, an animal is not a plant but includes creatures like dogs, cats, birds, and even humans. It's a foundational word in English because it's used to describe an enormous variety of living beings around us. Some synonyms for animal include creature, beast, and organism. For example, you might say, the tiger is a magnificent creature of the jungle. Or, the farmer cares for every beast on the farm. These synonyms can be helpful in varying your speech or writing. On the other hand, antonyms for animal would be plant or vegetation, as these describe living things that grow but do not move or consume organic matter in the same way. For instance, you could say, the forest is home to a diverse range of plants and animals. In everyday life, we use the word animal all the time. For example, if you visit a zoo, you might say, I saw so many amazing animals today. Or if you're talking about pets, you could say, dogs are my favorite animals because they're so loyal. Let's explore a few more sentences featuring animal. The panda is an endangered animal that lives in China. Scientists study animals to understand more about their behavior. Children love learning about animals in books and cartoons. Each of these examples shows how versatile and important this word is. To wrap up, today we've learned that animal refers to a living being that's not a plant. We've explored its synonyms like creature and beast, and its antonyms like plant and vegetation, and we've seen how it's used in both everyday conversations and specific contexts. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. I'd love to hear from you too. Can you create your own sentence using the word animal? Share it in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going. See you next time.